Hey guys, there I want to show you how I made the lead for my track Titanic. Actually, some of you have been requested this. Okay, first of all I will show you how it sounds. Okay, just the leads without anything else, like this. The reverb and delay I use in the send channel. Okay, let's look at the leads now. Let's disable this all effects and leads pre-bus. Now let's disable also the reverb and delay. Sorry. Basically only 3 layers. I don't use a lot of the layers because actually really don't need, like many says you need 10-20 layers. No, you can actually go with even 2 or 1 layer. Okay, there is squarishly, nothing really fancy going on. You can pause the video and copy the settings. Part A and part B. Also nothing fancy, just cutting out the low end and highs that going over the 20,000 Hertz, because we anyway don't hear these frequencies. Okay, next layer. This is the from my Silent One Soundset lead code black. I believe I only changed this cutoff. Now it is first layer. You hear if I enable and disable it changes the sound, because if you later layer the stuff and trying to listen together and without, if it doesn't change the sound, then why even you add it, right? And third layer, I believe this is also from my pack. No, it's in it. This is just half layer to add a little bit of the stereo feel to the lead. Also you can just copy the settings. There is actually going a little bit of the high-end boost. And OTT. This is free plugin, by the way. And this is the main lead layer, what I have been added here. It's also just OTT. Just little bit, 10% of OTT. and boosting little bit of the high and really little bit of the mids, and EQ again. Now I boost little more the highs and mids. Okay, this is with the main lead. Let's go to the chords. Here I have bounced it out because I used Serum, and this is, as you all know, it's CPU hungry. Here in Serum I used this lead from the factory presets Hyper, and I don't know, have I even changed something? Yes, only the release, and disabled all other effects. Basically, yeah, nothing else is changed. And Spire is also just copy the settings. I believe this is even from base modulators. Again, some OTT, high boost, little bit of the mids. And EQ, basically same EQ as in the main lead. So again, reverb, delay. And now this chords and the leads going for another bass, let's say. Then I add again OTT, just some mid boosts and a little bit of the highs, and def around 10%. Also really basic settings. Some ozone exciter, also nothing fancy, just play little bit around. You can copy just the settings. Again the EQ, little high boost and little bit of the mids. And the glue compressor to glue the leads and chords together. And the least is a little bit of the high boost. And this is how I made this lead. If you have any request or anything else, then let me know in the comments. See you guys in next video.